What's going on, guys? Shawnee Bitcoin's back with another cryptocurrency and blockchain update. Smash that like if you guys like the new beard trim. Actually, I didn't get rid of my hair. I just cleaned up the beard because I realized my beard doesn't grow in as perfect as everybody else's. But also make sure you guys smash that like. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys have not. The market is starting to look bullish again, and I want to give you guys my opinions on what's happening here in cryptocurrency because basically everybody's giving their opinions, right? Nobody has a sure idea of what's going to happen in this market. But I can honestly tell you guys, I've been pretty accurate in in my calls, which I've been saying that Bitcoin's going to go to 36,000, approximately $37,000, pretty easily. Just looking at the charts and how other altcoin charts move, it's just a pretty similar pattern always. And it has to do with the fear stage, the denial stage, the disbelief stage. All of that stuff comes into play. And right now we are at the disbelief stage where people don't really believe that Bitcoin is going to be heading back up because of the massive drop it took. And that's just, that's just how human psyche plays. It's easy for me to take that route too and believe that, but I know what's going on in the macro. I know how, that apps are being built to make cryptocurrency easier. I know that Bitcoin, a lot of banks and countries are really looking into buying Bitcoin. I know a lot of my friends that are now knowing much more about Bitcoin than they knew about before in the last bull run. Um, there's just a lot of positives in the market. There's a lot of protocols like Saito that is actually changing the way that this dynamic of this market is going to turn out in the future. And that is because, they're building the new internet, which is Web3. They're building on the new internet, which is peer to peer. And there's no one in the middle that's taking most of the pie. Like people when they go to build an app on Apple, they have to give Apple a big percentage of their profits, like 30%. So it just shows you that there's centralization in Web 2 in the previous internet, and it's a monopoly, and people started to profit off it. So what if the web internet was open and free and open source for all of us, and but also we had privacy, like, you had your privacy where people can't go and sell your information and your data to other big companies. All of this ties into Web3 and what Sato's building. And let's jump into it, guys. Sato's on the up today. A lot of people might not believe in it, but I can honestly tell you guys, this is the most bullish I've ever been on a cryptocurrency project, and I'm really excited for it. They just had a space this morning, David and Richard, and Nova, who's one of the community helpers, who's also an investor. But they had an amazing talk on the Saito space, and you get to really hear how much these guys know about Bitcoin and blockchain. They literally talk about it when they go to a bar together, David and Richard. They've been rooming together for a long time. They don't live together anymore. They live in different countries, but back when they used to live together, it's all these guys do would be to talk about Bitcoin and talk about how they can improve it, how they can improve Ethereum. So these guys are not new to this, and it's not like another project where they just built it to make money off it. They really built Saito to solve a problem. They saw a specific problem, and they knew how to. David believed that he could solve it, and a lot of people didn't think it was possible. Vitalik, the creator of Ethereum, did not think that this is possible when David brought it to him. But David said it's starting to prove itself and really starting to show that, hey, it is possible, and Saito is doing it. So these are not some things that most people look into when they're buying cryptos, but it's something you really want to look into if you care about the future of the space. And if you're invested in the space for the long term, you want to know that the space actually has a future, and that some of these problems that the space has are actually being addressed. And that's where I'm bullish, guys. So let me share my screen. I want to show you guys what the chart's looking like. Let's go to Saito price. Yeah, I mean, it's what I can honestly say, guys, is it looks like Saito's going to go for a massive run here. And I'll tell you why. Look at the 90-day chart. Look at the 90-day chart. Look how bullish this is. This is a huge bull flag right here, guys. This is what happened to Phantom before it blew up. This is a massive bull flag. What I can basically say is it's probably going to skyrocket from here because there's nowhere for it to go down. See this? It created this bull flag. It has no momentum to be able to go down here. Slide up. Smash that like for Saito, guys. This is really exciting, honestly. There's not many projects that I'm more bullish on than Saito. I like Alethea because of the AI narrative and what they're building with these intelligent NFTs. But Saito is something, it's a lot different, guys. It's really the future of crypto. And, you know, this might be a token that explodes in price. And I'm honestly guaranteed, I'm sure of it. It's going to explode in price, but does it solve a more important problem than crypto right now? I mean, more important problem than Saito? Probably not. But, you know, it's still a cool coin to invest in because it's about the future of AI and blockchain merged. This is the first project to merge AI and blockchain. So what else? What else am I looking at? Well, I did want to show you guys this one protocol called Surge, and this token is under 1 million market cap. So I'll just give it to you guys so you could check it out. This is a skeptical purchase, of course, because I've never really bought a project under this price. I mean, under a market cap of $1 million. You just don't get that lucky and find something like this. But so this is their website. As you guys can see, let me go back. Surge DeFi revamped. And Surge is the first truly decentralized cryptocurrency trading solution. While large parts of crypto traders and developers would claim that there are already decentralized exchanges, Surge closes the door for crippling Ponzi schemes in disguise of decentralization while providing an ecosystem to highlight what truly matters, projects with fundamentals and utilities. The situation is countless DeFi projects launch every day, some after large pre-sales. Those pre-sales target high rates to fund a big liquidity pool, as well as development expenses and marketing costs, while the pre-launch marketing phase comes out in a spectacular fashion. Most token projects fail to deliver after their respective launches. After a token is then declared discontinued, large sums of money remain in the liquidity pool until the liquidity lock expires. This takes huge sums of coins out of circulation and away from the overall volume in meriting projects with interesting utilities and ideas. We will call this phenomenon dead liquidity. The solution: we have created a smart contract that stores its own liquidity pool right inside the smart contract itself. Trading is made possible by writing the contract functions, buy and sell, right on the blockchain explorer. There is no need to connect your wallet to any dApp, no need to deposit your funds in any centralized exchange, and no need to use a third-party tool in order to execute your trades. The growing internal liquidity pool cannot be extracted from the contract by no party other than by selling Surge tokens. There is no possible way to rug Surge. Now, of course, guys, I'm not 100% sure if this is all true. This is extremely spectacle purchase, but if you are bullish on Uniswap, then you should be bullish on this token because there's a lot of forks from Uniswap, a lot of people creating the same exact fork like PancakeSwap and 1inch. These are all the same fork basically of Uniswap. So this is something different, created their own protocol. And you know, it's bullish for the space basically if this turns out to be good. The ecosystem. For a more convenient user experience, the Surge team will provide free dApps to users of the ecosystem, a swap and charting system. By using those, users will not gain a monetary advantage over others that choose to only interact with Surge via Blockchain Explorer. However, the trading experience will be more comfortable. So I'm going to show you guys the swap right here. This is the Surge swap. Basically, you can swap Binance, your Binance coins for your Binance Smart Chain coins for Surge, or you can swap ETH for Surge. There's a few ways to get it, and then it shows you your holdings down here on the bottom. And then you can connect your wallet up here with MetaMask. I actually gave the team a recommendation to add Rainbow Wallet, which would allow people to connect any wallet, Coinbase, Ledger, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and then there's even more actually. But Rainbow Kit Wallet will actually allow them to do that. So, this thing is going to be improved, guys, but the website looks really good. Tokenomics, there's no swap fees whatsoever. Buying and selling Surge is taxed with 5% per transaction in the first stage of the project. 3% go into the Surge vault, 2% go to the founding team. After establishing the project, the taxes will continuously be decreased. Roadmap. Please read our white paper. Let's check out the white paper. Surge is the first truly decentralized crypto trading solution. Numerous projects and exchanges claim to be decentralized and advertise themselves as your key to financial independence. While taking a deep look into the core of said dexes, we often find crippling Ponzi schemes in disguise. Did you know every buy and sell on Uniswap and PancakeSwap costs you 0.25% to 0.3% trading fees? Yeah, these are all back-end fees, guys. So, I mean, what they're trying to build, I'm extremely bullish on. They've done a good job so far, but definitely do your due diligence. Almost $400,000 in trading fees are extracted from traders every day in Uniswap. So there's a big market to be captured here, basically, for this token, for this protocol. Cryptocurrencies were invented by Satoshi with the clear goal in mind to achieve decentralized finance. Still, the crypto space is suffering under centralized exchanges who lie to their customers, misuse their funds, and put their name of the cryptocurrencies to shame. Since BTC's all-time high, the vast majority of catastrophes in crypto were caused by overly centralized ecosystems. Decentralized exchanges would be the perfect alternative to those dexes. The most popular dexes are mostly forks of Uniswap. By pairing a coin with a token into a liquidity pool, trading is made possible without any middleman. Owners of said Uniswap forks redirect parts of the transaction fees to their treasuries, over which oftentimes the owners themselves have the full control over. Some of the most popular dexes are even owned and controlled by centralized exchanges or token projects with shady backgrounds. There you go, Binance Smart Chain. Dead liquidity. Countless DeFi projects launch every year, some after large pre-sales. We already read that, guys. The total value locked in liquidity pools as of January 2nd, 2023 is $3 billion. It's actually probably more now. So here we can go to the Surge charts. You can actually see a chart. This is chart.surgeprotocol.io. So this is where you want to just select here. You guys can just select Binance BSC, and you just click go. Wait a second, and you should see the chart. There you go. This is the Surge chart. And for Binance Smart Chain, it's showing a price of 0.005655. Repeat, 0.005655. And like I said, there's some serious people behind this project. I've talked to the founders actually. And yeah, it's really exciting, guys. Definitely look into it, but do your due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. This is a token that I bought myself, but I am in no way a financial advisor, and this should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own due diligence, especially when you're looking into a micro cap that's $400,000 market cap. Never really seen a project this low, honestly. But I like the concept that they're building, and I think it's worth it to give it to you guys in a video and show you what I think of it. So let's go back to the Bitcoin charts. We can jump in more to the white paper on the next video, guys, if you guys want. Let me know what you guys think of Surge Protocol. It's very early, and the website looks really good. The swap's cool. Everything's working. The charts are good. You don't really see that too often on a project where they also build a chart into their project, which is awesome. So look at Bitcoin, guys. 21,116. A lot of people didn't think we would come back up from this dip. They said we were gonna head back down. And Sean was bullish because I've looked at these charts so much. I can tell when something's gonna explode, when something is already in the process of exploding and is just taking a cool off. And that's really what was happening. Bitcoin is taking a little cool off. Now we should be good to maybe come back up here to 24, 25,000. And then from there, it'd probably take a cool off, head to 36,000. That's my guess here, guys. That's all I'm going to give you guys today. I hope everybody has a blessed day. Please smash that like. Let's get over 100 likes on this video for Surge, Saito, Ali, and any other token that I mentioned. And I hope you guys let me know in the comments what tokens you guys are buying so I can also get a good idea. I'm always scoping out new projects, and I'm excited and I'm happy to hear what you guys think. So smash that like and have a great day, guys.